Hi friends, నేను సాయిరామ్. వెల్కమ్ టు మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ MSR క్లాసెస్. బ్యాంక్ అండ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ 2023 ప్రిపరేషన్లో ప్రిలిమ్స్ లెవెల్ క్వాంటిటేటివ్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్ సెషన్స్ అయితే స్టార్ట్ చేసాం. టుడే ఈజ్ 13th సెషన్. ప్రీవియస్ సెషన్స్ వాచ్ చేయని వాళ్ళు ఆ సెషన్స్ని కూడా వాచ్ చేయండి. అలాగే పీడిఎఫ్స్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవాలి అంటే టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. MSR క్లాసెస్ YT is my telegram channel name. Please do join, right, and access the PDF also, right? Yes. So questions look padam. Here is the first question of this session. Okay. A boat can travel 144 kilometers downstream in 19 hours and it takes the same time to cover 38 kilometers to upstream. What is the ratio of time taken by the boat to cover? Right. 114 kilometers downstream means M plus S is equal to 19. Exactly 6 times. Okay. Next, M minus S is upstream means 38 upon 19. M minus S value 2. Done. Next, what is the ratio of time taken by the boat to cover 273 kilometers downstream? 273 upon 6 is to 364 upstream. 364 2 3 times 3 91 times 91 4 times 1:4. 1:4. Option B is the final answer for this question. And 1:4 option B is the correct answer, right? Yes. Next question. When 2b is added to the numerator of the fraction becomes and when 5 is added to the denominator, the fraction becomes 1/2, right? Numerator ki 2 add chesthe, yes. Initial fraction plus 2 is equal to 5. Then, and when 5 is added to the denominator, y plus 5, the fraction becomes 1/2. 2x is equal to y plus 5. Y place 2, x plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 1. X value is 7. X is equal to 7. X is 7 అయితే y value. Then initial fraction x by y is 7/9. 7/9. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. Mixtures X and mixture Y are made by mixing the liquids A and B in the ratio 5:6, 9:7. If 44 liters of mixture X and 80 liters of mixture Y are taken together, and mix it to form another, then what is the ratio of liquid A to B? Liquid A to B అడుగుతున్నారు. ఇనీషియల్ గా మిక్చర్ X, మిక్చర్ Y రెండు మిక్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత మిక్చర్ Z వచ్చిందట. 44 liters ఆఫ్ మిక్చర్ X 44 తీసుకుంటున్నారు. టోటల్ 11 ప్యాడ్స్. 11 అంటే 4 times 5, 4 times 20, 6 4 times 24. అలాగే నెక్స్ట్ 80 ప్యాడ్స్ ఆఫ్ మిక్చర్ Y తీసుకుంటున్నారు, విచ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద రేషియో 9:7, 16. 16 5 times 9, 5 times 45, 7 5 times 35. రెండింటిని జాయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు, మిక్స్డ్ టుగెదర్ 65 and then 59. 65 to 59 is the final answer for this question. Option D is the correct answer, right? Right? Yes, next question. Price of the oil is decreased by 10% and consumption is increased by 8%. Price of the oil is decreased by 10% and consumption by what? Expenditure. Expenditure is equal to price into consumption. Price into consumption. Initial ga price వచ్చేసి 10 rupees, consumption 10 liters అనుకుంటే expenditure 100. Price of the oil decreased by 10%, 9 rupees, and consumption increased by 8%. Okay, 10.8. By what percentage? Nine 8 times 72. ఇనీషియల్ గా 100 రూపీస్ స్పెండ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు 97.2 రూపీస్ స్పెండ్ చేస్తున్నారు, అంటే డిక్రీజ్డ్ బై 2.8 రూపీస్. Decreased by 2.8 rupees. Option D is the final answer for this question. Done. Yes, next question. Average of X numbers is a 30. Later on it is observed that 31 and 27 wrongly taken as 13 and 72 respectively. Find the value of X. If the correct average is 24.6. Done. Okay. Average is decreased by 0.6. Change in total upon change in average. Change in total anta? Yes, 31. Number kavali ante change in total upon change in average, right? Which is 31 place lo wrongly taken as a 13. Actual తీసుకోవాల్సింది 31, right? అంటే ఎక్స్ట్రా ఎంత తక్కువ తీసుకున్నారు, విచ్ ఈజ్ 17, 18 తక్కువ తీసుకున్నారు, కరెక్ట్. అలాగే 27 ప్లేస్లో 72 తీసుకున్నారు, దాన్ని తగ్గించాలి 30, 42, 45, టోటల్ 27 ఎక్స్ట్రా. 27 on deviation 0.4 24.6 కదా, ఇది 30 నుంచి 24.6 వచ్చేసింది, which means 5 point right 54 270 upon 5.54 5 times. Option E is the final answer for this question. Now, option E is the final answer. Change in total upon change in average. Yes, next one. Three friends, Akhil, Ashok and Akash, distributed a certain sum among themselves in the ratio, after which Akash gave 20 to Akhil and Ashok. Thereby the ratio becomes, right, the total amount distributed was. క్వశ్చన్ ఏం చెప్తున్నారు ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ. ముగ్గురు దగ్గర కొంత అమౌంట్స్ ఉన్నాయిట. అఖిల్ దగ్గర 16A రూపీస్, అఖిల్, అశోక్, ఆకాష్, ముగ్గురు పర్సన్స్. అఖిల్, అశోక్ అండ్ ఆకాష్, రైట్. ఇనీషియల్ గా 16A రూపీస్ ఉన్నాయి, 19A రూపీస్ ఉన్నాయి, 24A రూపీస్ ఉన్నాయి, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం జరుగుతుంది, after which gave 20 rupees to each Akhil and Ashok. Akash ఇచ్చేసట. thereby the ratio becomes, ఇప్పుడు రేషియో ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది, 16 ఈ టోటల్ వాల్యూ is equal to సెకండ్ టోటల్, రైట్. సెకండ్ టోటల్ మీన్స్ 17B ప్లస్ 20B. ఇచ్చిన అమౌంట్నే డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు, 22. దెన్ టోటల్ వాల్యూ 16, 40, 59A is equal to 59B. A is equal to B. Then the total amount distributed is total distribution. A value find out చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది, రైట్. 24A. ఆకాష్ gave 20 each, అంటే తన దగ్గర నుంచి 40 వెళ్ళిపోయింది, is equal to 22. A is equal to B. 2A value, A is 20. Total distribution is 59A. 59A, which is 59 20 times, that is 1180. Option A is the final answer for this question. Then, right. Yes, next one. 9 years ago, the ages of A and B were in the ratio. 7 years later, this ratio will be, right, A is to B. 9 years ago మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. 9 years ago ratio is 3:5. Done. 7 years later, this ratio is 7:9. Exactly 4 parts. 4 parts value 16 years. minus 9 నుంచి plus 7 కి రావాలి అంటే 16 years. A 9 years ago, లేకపోతే A 7 years after 7 parts. or else A 9 years ago 3 parts. A 9 years ago 3 parts, which is 4 times 3, 4 times 12. They B 9 years ago 5 parts, 5 4 times 20. And percentage of A 21, percentage of B 20. Then if the sum of percentages of sum 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2 is equal to 50, 3x value 48, x is 16, x is 16. Option D is the final answer for this question. Then next one. A shopkeeper sold a shirt and incurred a loss which is equal to profit earned when the same shirt. Selling price 1 ఒకటి చెప్తున్నారు, selling price 2 ఒకటి చెప్తున్నారు. Then profit is equal to loss అని చెప్తున్నారు. ఇలాంటప్పుడు కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ యావరేజ్ ఆఫ్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైసెస్, యావరేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇలాంటి కండిషన్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ 1, సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ 2, ప్రాఫిట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు లాస్ అంటే రైట్. 374 and 466, 470, 370, 840, 840 upon 2, 420. Cost price is 420. Profit 15% రావడానికి ఎంత సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్? సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ 420 మీద 10% 40 to 5% 21. Right, this is 63, 483. ₹483. None of these is the final answer for this question. Done. Next one, question number 9. X and Y together can build a wall in 3 hours and Z can destroy the wall in 8 hours. If X and Z working together, they take 8 hours to build the wall. Then find the number of hours X alone will take to complete. X and Y ఇద్దరు కలిసి చేస్తే 3 hours, Z ఒక్కళ్ళే చేస్తే 8 hours. X and Z కలిసి చేస్తే then they can take 8 hours to build the wall. Then 8, 8, 3. Right, 24 is the LCM. 8, 1, 1. ఇది -1 కాస్త +1 గా కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది, which means something -1 is equal to 1. X efficiency 2 parts. X efficiency sorry, this is 3, right? Sorry, 3 and 3. Something minus 3 is equal to 3, which means A value 6. Efficiency of X is 6. Efficiency X alone to fill. Okay, time taken is 24 upon 6, 4 times. 4 hours is the final answer for this question. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Next one. Twice the perimeter of a square 8a is equal to circumference of circle. Twice the perimeter. Perimeter of square is 4a. Is equal to circumference 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Find the area of the square. If area of circle is 616, area of circle 616 అంటే radius 14. 4a is equal to 22 by 7 into 14. 4, 11, a value 11. Area of a circle a square 121. Option A is the final answer for this question. Right? Yes. Next question. DI. Below table shows the number of people who visited in 5 weeks and the ratio of male to female. Then total number of people అలాగే male to female ratio మాట్లాడుతున్నట్టు who visited. Then what is the ratio of females visited to on Thursday? Thursday female 4 out of 9, 360 is to male on Monday 11 out of 16, 640. Then 9 4 times 16, 4 times 4, 4. Answer 4 is to 11. Then answer 4 is to 11. Yes. Next one. If the number of male who visited on a Saturday is 20% more than that of, right, 300 with the 20% 360, then how many male on Monday and Saturday? 11 4 times 44, which is 800. 800 is the total. Option D is the final answer. Then next question. The number of male who visited on a Tuesday, number of male 7, 6 times 42, 4, 6 times 24, is what percentage more than female who visited on Friday? Friday 100. Difference is 140 out of 100 into 100. 140%. Option E is the correct answer. Then next one. If number of female who visited on Sunday is 7, 9 times that of female on Tuesday. 3 parts. 7 6 times 3 6 times 18. 7 9 times 10. 140 final answer. What is the average number of male who visited on Wednesday and Thursday? Wednesday 5 parts, total 8 9 times 5 9 times, total 9 4 times. Male కావాలి కదా, right? 9 4 times 5 4 times 20 upon 2 650 upon 2 325 option E. Done. Yes. Next question. The following graph shows the marks obtained by 6 students in science and English. Maximum marks. The marks obtained and maximum marks గురించి చెప్తున్నారు. ఓకే. Marks obtained by Manju, right? He is approximately what percentage of the marks obtained by in English? Approximately 120 maximum 121 దాకా వెళ్తుంది, right? .3 decimal value రాగానే 10 6.3 63 3 times 63 2 times 126 127%, approximately 127%. Then next one, find the marks obtained by Monu in both subjects together. Monu is 95 and 120. 95 120 100 వచ్చుంటే 220 అయ్యేది 2 times 21 4 times, which is 84 86%. Option D is the final answer for this question. Done. 86% is the final answer, right? Next question, find the respective ratio of percentage of Sonu in science. Sonu in science, which is 135 out of science 150 into 100 is to Sonu in English percentage and marks and rendu same 70 upon 150 into 100. 7 cancellation on the 5 14 times 5 27 times. Right. సరే ఇక్కడ టోటల్ మార్క్స్ సేమ్ కాదు కదా, టోటల్ మార్క్స్ సేమ్ కాదు, ఒకటేమో 150 ఒకటేమో 100తో కంపేర్ చేయాలి, రైట్. 150కి 135 వచ్చాయి. సెకండ్ సబ్జెక్ట్లో 70 అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 100 వచ్చాయి. ఇది వచ్చేసి 2 times 3 times 14 9:7. Option D is the answer. And next one. Marks of Sanju in science is approximately what percentage more than marks of Sanju in English? Right. Sanju in science 110. Sanju in English 90. Approximately what percentage? 20 out of 90. 2 by 9, 1 by 9, 22.22. Option C is the right answer. Done. Next question. Find the sum of marks obtained by all the students in English. English no total sum కావాలి. 85, 90, 75, 95, 70, 80. Then 100, 170, 170 plus 160, which is 330, 330 plus 160, 330, 430, 490, 495. Option C is the final answer for this question. Done. Next one. Pie chart given below represents the percentage distribution of quantity of rice produced by 5 months. Okay. The rice produced by farmer in August is 40 quintals more than in July. August, July, 4 percentage, 40. 100 percentage, 400, 4,000. Right, 100 percentage. ప్రతిదీ 10తో మల్టిప్లై చేసుకుంటే ఓకే. Find the ratio of quantity produced in month May to July. May 32, July 10, which means 16:5. Option B is the final answer. Next question. In June, 20% of the rice produced is found to be rotten. In June, total 240. దానిలో 48 సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తే 192. Find the quantity of rice which is edible in June. 192,000 kgs. Right, 192 quintals into 100, 192,000 kgs. In September, the quantity of rice produced was 1 by 7. 14 2 by 7 means 1 by 7 more than in August. August కంటే 1/7 extra. 15% మీద 1/7 extra, which means 2 extra. 16. 16%. 16% అంటే 160 క్వింటాల్స్, right? Maximum quantity of rice produced. Rice produced may, direct answer. Next one. Find the difference between average quantity April and May and quantity of June, April and May, which is 52 upon 2, 26. June 24, 2%. 24 is it, okay? This is 24. Difference is 2%. 2%, 20. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done, right? Yes. So here ends the session. నా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో అప్డేట్స్ కోసం నా ఛానల్ అయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని ఉంచుకోండి. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.